Another cool thing that you can do with jQuery is animation effects, and it's got all kinds of built-in animation effects. Let me just show you a few. So I've left a lot of our previous stuff here. I've got my button here that says toggle me, and we've got our local data toggle. I'm going to get rid of that. No, let's just get rid of part of that actually. And I'm going to say fade out, and I'm going to give it 1000. And so there is the local data. And again, I'm using a class-based selector, so I would get everything in the document that matches that class. In this case, it's just one thing. And I'm using fade out, and I'm giving it 1000, which is milliseconds. So in other words, this is 1 second. It'll take 1 second to complete that animation. So when I click the button, there it goes, and then it disappears. It actually is still there. And so here's an interesting thing you can do. And if I want to, in a minute, I could make it fade back. I can also fade toggle. So I can make it go away and come back, fade in and out. And if it's hidden at first and I want to fade in, I would use fade in like this. But here's another thing I could do. You can actually stack these and have them, let's have it fade back in 1/2 a second. So I can actually produce complex animations on the same event by just adding more pieces of code. So if I hit that, you can see now it comes back really quickly like that. So there's all kinds of things you can do with animations. Let me show you another one. In addition to fade out, I can have it slide up. Let's see what that does. Just like that, and it disappears. If I choose slide down, nothing. The reason for that is that's the equivalent. That's how you go from hidden to visible. And if I do slide toggle, it'll show you both effects. So there's the slide up, and there's the slide down. And so it toggles between hidden and visible. Now, there are other effects in jQuery, and they all kind of work under the same principle.